Hello you lot, yes, back for another video, and in this video I'm going to be topping up the coolant. I've not actually done it in 3 years. Yeah, so remember I replaced this on my car that way and then that way, and then you can open it, but I need both hands, so I'll be right back. There we go, the bonnet is open and the coolant top-up reservoir system sits there. Bonnet stays in. Ideally you want to do this on a level ground so then you can actually see. Look at this, look. How does it even get there? And cobwebs. Yeah, anyway, as I say, ideally you want it on level ground so you can see where the actual capacity is. I think it's going to rain, so it's alright. Just found another leaf. Green one. Yeah. So anyway, let's get a little bit done. Now obviously if you're not going to get it filled with Ford coolant, what you need is some of this. This is what is recommended, to be honest. I don't know if it actually even says Ford on there. Probably not, but yeah, it's the better stuff. Now remember, this is pressurized, so obviously wait for the car to cool down. Unscrew the cap, and as I say, I've never done this. It's very windy as well, sorry. I've never done this since I've owned it, which has been a few years. It's not actually dropped, which is a good thing. You don't want it to be dropping. You don't want air bubbles appearing either, but just because of my the way my brain works, I just want to put it in between the minimum and maximum mark. And ideally you want to do this on a level ground, but I'm not on a level ground. There we go. As you can see, it's probably a few mils above the maximum, but obviously when the car levels on the drive, because it's nose down, that will sit in between the minimum and maximum. When you re-put the cap on, it will click into place like so. That's at the last notch. That's the coolant done. There we go, the rain's been and gone, a few drops left. It's a bit windy, I'm afraid, so this video will feature a little bit of wind. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and obviously don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you want to come back for more. Thanks for watching.